Welcome once again in English grammar class. Dear all, today I will teach you about apostrophe. Apostrophe is an important punctuation mark in English language. In English, it is used for three purposes: the marking of the omission of one or more letter, the marking of possessive case of nouns, and marking of plurals of individual characters. In this class, we will see that this punctuation mark apostrophe can change the meaning of sentence. Okay? A noun can show what it owns or possesses. We add an apostrophe s to a noun to show ownership. Most of the time, if you see an apostrophe hovering helpfully near a word, then it's trying to mark either possession or contraction. Is it clear to all? Now, question is here, where do we use apostrophe? Apostrophe is used to show a thing belong to someone or something, or it shows a noun owns something. Now let's have a look on some golden rules of apostrophes. Apostrophes are used to indicate possessions. These are not used to indicate plurality. Let's understand these 2 points with these 3 sentences. Here in this slide, the 2 police officers are smiling. In the sentence 1, officers are written in the plural form, so we don't have any need to put here apostrophe. But to show single possession, we have written here one police officer's beard is brown, and to express plural possession, we have written 2 police officers' hats are blue. So, an apostrophe comes before s if the noun is singular. Here are 3 examples. This car's design seems modern. Rohan's pen is costly. In case of plural possessives, add apostrophe s to the plural forms that do not end in s, and add apostrophe to the end of plural nouns that end in s. You can understand it with these examples. So, an apostrophe comes after s if noun is plural, and apostrophe comes before s if noun is an irregular plural. As the girls' dresses look nice. Let's go to children's nursery. For contraction, we use apostrophe to contract 2 words together. Means to say that if we want to write I would in contraction form, then we will replace WOUL with apostrophe punctuation mark. So, the contraction is a shortened form of words. And when we remove a letter to write in contraction form, we replace that letter with apostrophe. We can say some contractions are also formed by putting a verb with the word not. If we want to write is not, then we will write it as isn't. Here is a list of some words which are written in contraction form. You can go through this list, and after going through this, solve the 2 questions given in this slide, and you can write the answers of these questions in the comment box also. Now, dear all, it's your writing and practice time. Till the next class, happy learning to all of you.